Hey, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a hand reaching down, grabbing an object. Just like that. All right? My name is Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. Come on, let's get to work. So whenever we start to draw a hand, I always recommend that you go through the same process. Don't skip any steps. So we always go through gesture, then we draw the palm, tips, knuckles, joints, and details. Part of our gesture goes arm, palm, fingers, and thumb, okay? This is the inactive side of the hand. See how smooth it is? Whenever you're drawing hands also, there's always going to be, generally speaking, an inactive side and then an active side. And the active side is a part that is, creates almost like a right angle of some sort, all right? Okay, there's my palm. This is gesture. Fingers, and then thumb. Okay. Let's go ahead and get our palm in, and look at this. I do want to, it's a straight curve, and this is more, there you go. Okay, palm. All right. Let's get our tips in. Whoop! There he is. Take a second, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Woo! All right, let's get back to work. Okay. Next, we're looking for our knuckles, our knuckle. Okay, joints. Now I'm going to go ahead and proceed into the details. Okay, so a lot of times when I am drawing the hand, I will think of like, what is the finger, and not thumb, but finger that's closest to me, and I'm going to draw him first because they're overlapping the others. All right, so that's a little concave there, slightly concave, and then it goes the opposite. There's a J hook. Okay. Third pad. So that'll be my first finger. Let's get the next one in now. J hook. Third pad. And then there's that fourth one right under there. Okay. Next one. Third pad, and then that fourth pad, which the fourth pad is always right there. And this kind of overlaps that pinky in the back. But I do have that ring right there. Now that pinky that's quite a bit of ways, so I want to, this little tips there, I put a little bit too close, so I definitely want to separate it. And if you look closely, it's actually, it's like going away from us, so it's not following those three at all. It's doing its own thing. And with that being said, watch this. There's going to be some overlap here. Watch. There's one overlap. See, by doing that, that's going to push it away from us, right? Okay. I'm going to adjust my thumb now. I am looking at negative space to help me. This is this negative shape right in here. So we use vertical lines, horizontal, and negative shape. Okay. All right. Straight line there. There's that pattern underneath. Now look at this. This is interesting. I've got this tendon that's coming in through the top there. That line, the tendon goes up right on top of the bone. You can see it just goes right over the top of it. You can see that ridge. You see this? Let me just show it to you real quick. It comes in like that. You see that? Creates this ridge. Like we said earlier, make sure you shift that fingernail, that thumbnail, to the one side there. And this has a slight overlap there. Okay, let's go ahead and drop a tone on this. Nice tone on the side of this thumb here, right along that ridge. Okay. Let me just take my eraser and just clean this up just a little bit. And I think that's going to do it. All right. Well, thanks for watching this afternoon. This is hand number 12, and I will see you tomorrow. My name's Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. Excellent job. If you're looking for another video on drawing hands, check this one out up here, or YouTube thinks you're going to like this one. I think so too. Check that out as well. All right. Go out there, make your day great.